Alright, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back. So we're going to talk about Bonk today, and let's look at Bonk. Bonk is finally dropping down, and SPX has been dropping down, and I've talked about this diamond pattern. So you can see how much manipulation happened here. You try to break up, right? You broke to the upside, you came for the retest, you made a fake out, and now you're dropping down. And I think the next technical target, as I've actually laid down the Bonk video for you, is to actually expect Bonk to drop to 2715. There is a news that I've actually talked about in the second channel, and this is Mark. Mark is actually for stock, and I would actually like you to go on and join their Telegram. I'm going to leave the link in the description. If you don't join, guys, don't say that I'm not providing you value, because these people are very serious in stocks, and they have a lot of experience and knowledge, probably more than me. And if you like me for cryptocurrencies and these altcoin, meme coin updates, you're going to love these people for news, stock, and whatnot. So one of the news, and I'm being one of their main content creator, is that US margin debt is exceeding by $1 trillion. So listen to this. US margin debt has exceeded $1 trillion. So here's your chart right now, and let's open up the chart, zoom into a little bit. And since 1960, this US margin debt has actually been on an uptrend, right? So it's in a bull run of the debt. But this time we have actually crossed $1 billion, which is actually $1 trillion. So this is happening for the first time, and it's actually peaking out. Everything is peaking. And as I said in the earlier video, that keep an eye on September, because September things may go bad. And at least for August, we do have all this Europe and US trade deal that is going to be very good for the market. But after that, we do not know what exactly is going to happen. Show US margin debt has exceeded $1 trillion, it actually indicates a speculative trading and elevated leverage among investors. When market reverse, margin data debt can accelerate sell-off as lenders force selling. So the people who are giving debt, right, the lenders, when they start to do some sell-off, and when you have a large increase in margin, right, so high margin. Right. Before you guys think what is going on in this video, I'm actually going to tell you in easy words. So there is a margin debt going on. So you know what debt really is. Debt is like taking money from someone. Like this is the US margin and the debt that have been borrowed. Students are taking money for their college fees and this and that. That's just debt, right? Basically, this debt has now crossed $1 trillion for the first time, okay, ever since like 1960s and whatnot. So this is the beauty of understanding, like, these are fundamental news, and you guys want me to do fundamental news. I'm going to leave the comment in the comment. I'm going to leave their Telegram as well in this video, and you can actually go on and click on this, join the Telegram, and you'll get some very good updates from them as well. But the thing is that debt is something that can cause the market to move, because yes, a lot of people say, hey, Adam Coins, I understand that you're doing a technical analysis, but don't you think you should be doing fundamental, bring the news, because sometimes it's the news that is causing things to move. And yes, that's true. News across the world is causing things to move. And if you want exactly those news, this is like 11-minute video filled with a lot of information right now in their channel that I actually did for them. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing this on a regular basis. So if you want to get the news version of me, come to Mark. If you want to get the technical analysis version, well, here we are. So let's do the TA. And the thing is that news alone is actually going to cause some pressure. It's going to cause the market to start to see some sell-off. We might actually see the market getting a little bit red, and you can see it's evident that this is happening. The red has actually started. Our pattern, as I spoke in last update, was the diamond top here, and this diamond pattern is simple. You take the top to the bottom, and the technical target is 2711, which also means that if you're not going to go to 2711, the invalidation is going to be 3700, at least up to this wick. So if you make it back up again and you move to the wick here, that means that there is another manipulation, because this wick was also to take some stop losses, and then eventually it started to drop to the downside. So that's it for the video on Bonk. And do check the comment section and join Mark's Telegram. And I'm going to see you the next one. Love. Peace.